In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stamp field in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is the main entry point for creating a new request, and it's where you'll begin setting up the document that needs a stamp. Once you click Start, choose Envelope. This tells DocuSign that you want to send out a document for completion and signature-related actions. After that, select Get Signatures. This option opens the standard sending workflow and prepares your envelope so you can add recipients and fields to the document. Next, upload the document where you want to add the stamp. Make sure you choose the correct file, since this is the document your recipient will interact with. If needed, take a quick moment to confirm that the document is complete and ready before moving on. Now add the recipient by entering the recipient's name and email address. Be careful here, because the recipient details determine who will receive the envelope and who can complete the assigned field. Once that information is entered, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is the area where you'll place interactive fields directly onto the file. From the Fields panel, select the Stamp field. DocuSign offers different field types, so choosing the correct one is important. The stamp field is specifically designed for cases where a recipient needs to place a stamp on the document rather than just a signature or initials field. Next, drag the stamp field onto the document in the exact location where you want the recipient to place the stamp. Try to position it clearly and neatly so it fits the layout of the document and doesn't overlap any important text. Good placement makes the document easier to complete and helps avoid confusion for the recipient. After placing the field, make sure the stamp field is assigned to the correct recipient. If your envelope includes more than one person, this step is especially important. The right assignment ensures the intended person is the one who can interact with that field. Before sending anything, review the stamp field carefully. Check that it's positioned correctly, visible, and assigned to the intended recipient. Taking a few seconds to review now can save time later and help prevent mistakes. Once everything looks good, click Send to send the document with the stamp field. Your envelope will then be delivered to the recipient so they can complete it. Thanks for watching.